auto allocate receipt to oldest invoice. If you give credit to your customers and if you want to allocate that receipt amount to oldest outstanding invoice, you can check this option. If you check this option, when your customer pays and when you enter the customer receipt, that receipt will allocate to oldest outstanding invoice. We will discuss an example. We will enter customer receipt, go to customers, transactions, customer receipts, click add receipt. Select the customer. Now for this customer there are two outstanding invoices. We'll enter amount. Now you can see it will allocate to oldest invoice. You can see the date of the invoice. Again we'll try. You can see it will automatically allocate to oldest invoice. If you want to manually allocate, you can manually allocate, but if you want to allocate your receipts to oldest invoices, you can use this option. For an example, if your telephone bill, when you are paying telephone bill, your service provider will allocate that receipt to oldest invoice. So by using this kind of a solution, you can automatically allocate receipt to oldest invoice.